old, but I just wanted to explain my journey with Christine. So before Christine, I was miserable at my 9-to-5 job. I literally was going day to day, just dreading going into work. Monday would come, I would wait for Friday. The weekend would come on Sunday. I would just wait for Friday to happen again. I would not want to go into work on Monday. I was comfortable in my job. I knew exactly what I had to do to get things done. It was structured. I just wanted to, and I was a people pleaser, and I was afraid of uncertainty. And I knew that if I left my full-time job, that meant uncertainty for me. And I was just so scared to go outside of that comfort zone. And my perfectionism and people pleasing got in the way of me quitting my job, because before I left, I wanted everything to be perfect for the next person, and I didn't want to inconvenience anyone. And so I just felt so stuck. I didn't know what to do with my life. And I actually one day was on Periscope, and I just needed inspiration that day. And so I typed in inspiration in the search, and Christine's Periscope happened to come up, and I immediately was connected to Christine. I listened to her scope, and I immediately felt a connection. And so I quickly got on a clarity call with her, and instantly, once I had the call, I felt like I knew she was the person that I needed to be with, but I allowed my finances to get in the way, and I thought, I'm not going to be able to afford it. I can't do a life coaching with her. And then I don't know what happened, but she did a Periscope that same day that said, and she basically said in the Periscope that do not allow your finances to restrict the life that you want to live. And I was like, well, shoot. Okay, I guess I need to do this, because it literally was like a kick in the butt. Like, oh, okay, I should do this. I should do this with her. And I don't care what my financial situation is at this time. I need to do this, and I need to figure it out, because I'm not happy and I'm not living my life that I want to live. So fast forward, I signed up with her. I had an amazing coaching with her, and I was able to put in my resignation at work. So that took everything in me to do that. And so I did it. I was so happy to do it. It was such a relief just handing over that letter to my bosses. I have two bosses. And it made things just seem so simple at that point. The steps that she had me follow, it just seemed like it was such a simple process. Why wasn't I doing that before? And also, she helped me through our conversations to come up with a business concept. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. I had no idea what I was passionate about, because I allowed other people to get in my life and create what they thought was good for me. And I allowed other people to have opinions, and I didn't know what was good for me. And so she helped me to open up and help me to find my true desire. And my true desire in life was always to help people, but I didn't know how. And so she helped me to unravel this event planning business that I have in my mind that I'm just so excited about, and I can't wait to launch. And she's also not helped me only in my business life, but also my personal life as well. I'm starting to be able to voice my own opinion. That was so hard for me. I never allowed myself to voice my opinion because I was such a people pleaser. I didn't want to upset the apple cart. I would always just go along with the flow and allow other people to basically form my own life. And so now I'm able to voice my opinion more. And she's just helped me in so much with my procrastination side as well. I would always push things off, and having these calls with her, having her as like my accountability partner, was just so awesome and so helpful to just get things moving and get my life going in the direction that I needed it to go. And so I feel like I'm becoming the person that I've been hiding inside of me for so many years. And I truly feel that I owe it to her for uncovering my true self.
Wow. Powerful